Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for all BE, B.Tech and Diploma holders. So let us go into the video. The name of the company is Shanthi Gears. So all those who are willing to work in Coimbatore can make the best use of it. Almost 40 openings are there, and company website link is given in the description. Once you click the link, you will be directed to the official website. And also company details and informations, I provide everything in the description. Read carefully and act accordingly. Designation is trainee, and education qualification is diploma in mechanical engineer or ITA. So mainly mechanical engineers are given preferences, and role will be a permanent one. Years of experience is fresher, and job location is in Coimbatore. Salary as per the company norms, and now they are hiring almost 40 people freshers in diploma in mechanical engineering and IT, and location is Coimbatore. So this is the phone number 6282343505, and you can also send your queries to Arul Arasan or at shantigears.murugappa.com. So you can send your updated resume to the phone number, WhatsApp phone number, and registered mail ID. They will be contacting or intimating you through your registered mail ID and registered mobile number. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. And almost 80% people are watching our videos without subscribing. Kindly subscribe our channel. Your subscription will boost our confidence for uploading more job related videos. If you like this video, means put a like and share the video to all B.Tech and diploma holders for mechanical graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Kindly support our channel by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Stay tuned with Mechanical Motivator. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.